Alright, so today we're going to talk about Revelation and Genesis, specifically Revelation 13:18, where the number of the beast is revealed, and Genesis 6:6, um, where God regrets making mankind. So this is all going to be about the number 6, 66 and 666, but, you know, the rep digit, the main digit, of course, 6. So Revelation 13:18 reveals the infamous number of the beast, as it states, "Here is wisdom, let him that hath understanding count the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 666. That is the King James Version. Uh, as this is in chapter 13 of Revelation, 13 is the sixth prime number, and as this is the 18th verse of this chapter, uh, 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. So, the three sixes there. But this right here connects to carbon, specifically carbon 12. 12, 6 is a factor of 12, but that's just a little side note. Humans are carbon-based beings, um, and carbon is the sixth element on the periodic table. It has 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons. So, like the like Revelation 13:18 said, the number of the beast is also the number of a man. So going off this information in the Bible, 6 is the number of this material world and man, specifically the lower nature of man, because, of this material world, because all life on Earth is carbon based. But, yeah, so I think I was just thinking about this the other day, Revelation 13 and 8, yeah, 13:18, how both numbers connect to 6 like that. And I think why it was, they obviously picked this for a reason. Revelation 13:18 to, be this infamous uh, verse, um, to connect to carbon. In addition, a crystalline form of carbon is graphite, which has a structure where carbon atoms form layers with a hexagonal arrangement. And of course, a hexagon is a six-sided shape. Revelation 13:18 begins with, "Here is wisdom," a phrase equating to 66, connecting to number of the beast, number of a man, beasts, mankind, curse, biblical. All those words or phrases equal 66 as well. Biblical equals 66 in Jewish gematria. And of course, when I say equals a number, normally that means in one of the four base ciphers. And when it's not in the one of the four base ciphers, I'll say it like I just did with uh, biblical equating to 66 in Jewish gematria. Um, Revelation is the 66th book of the Bible, and it's part of the New Testament, a phrase that equates to 66 as well. It's said that God created man on the sixth day of creation. The phrase sixth day of creation equals 216, which is the product of 6 times 6 times 6. And Genesis 6:6 states, "The Lord regretted that he had made human beings on the earth, and his heart was deeply troubled." That is the New International Version. Furthermore, the book of Genesis is called the first book of Moses, And I found it interesting that the phrase, the Book of Moses equals 66. That's not really that concrete, but I just thought that was interesting. Finally, in English Sumerian gematria, mark of beast, that phrase equals 66, just as humanity does. And in reverse English Sumerian gematria, Genesis equals 666. Yep, that's all I had to say. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Peace.